Unraid versus Proxmox VE. Which home server OS is better? Choosing the right home server OS can transform your setup, balancing ease of use and powerful virtualization without unnecessary complexity. Both Unraid and Proxmox VE offer unique advantages. Unraid and Proxmox VE are popular home server operating systems designed for virtualization and storage. The core difference lies in Unraid's focus on flexible storage and user-friendly management, while Proxmox VE emphasizes enterprise-grade virtualization with advanced clustering and container support. Unraid is a NAS-focused operating system that combines storage, virtualization, and Docker application support in one package. It works by pooling your drives into a single array with parity protection, allowing you to mix different sizes and types of disks without losing capacity. Unraid's web-based interface makes managing storage shares, virtual machines, and containers straightforward, even for beginners. Its strengths include ease of setup, flexible storage expansion, and an active plugin ecosystem. However, it does not provide native clustering or high availability features, which can limit scalability. Unraid is ideal for home users and small offices who want a simple, versatile server for media storage, backups, and light virtualization without the complexity of enterprise tools. Its focus on combining storage with virtualization makes it a favorite among hobbyists and content creators. Proxmox VE is an open-source virtualization platform designed for advanced server management. It supports both KVM-based virtual machines and LXC containers, offering a powerful, flexible environment for running multiple isolated systems. Proxmox VE uses a Debian Linux base with a robust web interface, providing features like clustering, live migration, and high availability. This makes it suitable for users who need enterprise-level virtualization capabilities at home or in small businesses. Its strengths include scalability, comprehensive networking options, and extensive community support. However, Proxmox VE has a steeper learning curve and requires more technical knowledge to configure and maintain. It does not focus on NAS-style storage management but integrates with external storage solutions. Proxmox VE is best for power users and IT professionals who want full control over virtualization infrastructure and are comfortable with Linux-based systems. Comparing Unraid and Proxmox VE highlights different priorities. Unraid excels in easy-to-manage mixed drive storage with integrated virtualization, perfect for media servers and simple home labs. Its user-friendly interface lowers the barrier for newcomers but lacks enterprise clustering features. Proxmox VE offers advanced virtualization with container support and clustering, ideal for complex setups requiring high availability and scalability. It demands more technical skill and does not manage storage natively, relying on external solutions. For example, if you want a straightforward media server with some virtual machines, Unraid fits well. If you need to run multiple isolated environments with failover and live migration, Proxmox VE is the better choice. Both are open source friendly, but the decision depends on your comfort with Linux and your server goals. Choose Unraid if you prioritize flexible storage management combined with simple virtualization and prefer a user-friendly experience without complex enterprise features. Opt for Proxmox VE if you need powerful virtualization with clustering, container support, and scalability and are comfortable managing a Linux-based system. Both platforms excel in different areas, so match your choice to your technical skills and home server needs for the best results.